Hi, this is Brian M. Curran from DraftingServices.com, and I'm shooting a video of the project site I'm at today. I'll walk you through it. Let me look this way first. In a previous industrial building in Long Island City, and I'm doing existing condition drawings of just this floor right here of the building for the current owner. They want to do a fit out of the space, and you can see that they've begun doing that with these metal studs, but they need an accurate existing condition plan so that they can do an accurate fit out of the place. So that's what I'm working on today. I wanted to show you around, get a view out here the window. It's the 7 train straight ahead there, if you can see that coming in. If you're ever in need of existing condition drawings of whether it be a industrial space like this or a residential space, then please feel free to give me a ring anytime. Thank you for checking out my video, and have a fantastic day.